When night comes, Mala hides inside her warm little world. But tonight, the forest sings a little louder. Mama brings a gift, a light for brave dreams. This little lantern, Mama whispers, is your tiny moon inside. Mila touches it. The light dances in her fur. Her bunny snuggles closer to the glow. Safe light, soft dreams, sleepy heart. Outside, the forest waits. Inside, a brave light grows. But something is missing. Her bunny is not here. She looks here, she looks there. Only shadows answer. Outside, tiny footprints wait beneath the stars. Brave means stepping outside, even when afraid. With every step, her light follows. Fireflies dance, showing her where to go. They're caught where roots twist and tangle. Her light reaches first, and fear runs away. Soft squeeze of plush toy, gentle lantern hum. The forest is still dark, but not so scary anymore. Step by step, her courage glows brighter than the night. Little stars follow, cheering her tiny steps. Home waits, with a hug and a warm burrow bed. And Mama's arms braver than any lantern. Safe, warm, together. Tonight she learned, brave doesn't mean not scared. It means shining anyway.